Right, so having assembled the base, screwed the 4 pieces together, I was going to glue them, but I've decided, just in case I have to do any repairs further down the line, I'll keep them loose so I can take them away. But also, I'll need to be screwing the skirt on to this, not gluing that as well. Because, I mean, we've always made jokes about Daleks and stairs, but let me just lay this down here and zoom out a bit. So here's the Dalek base. So imagine old Mr. Dalek, trundle, trundle, trundle. He's going to come and exterminate people in this house, and, well, he ain't going to be going through the doors. Yeah, so depending on what room I'm going to be putting the Dalek in, I'll be keeping the base loose to start with so I can take it through sideways, put it on its location, and then bring in the rest of the Dalek and screw them onto the base piece. Whew, that's big. I didn't think it was going to be quite that size when I started out, but here we go. Let me go and get that stored away in the garage until I'm ready to put all the other pieces together. So just for effect, I dragged the base out into the garage, and there's the 2 skirt pieces, which I'm going to keep loose until I finish painting, well, priming, filling, sanding, then painting. Keep them apart so I can get in there and easily screw the balls in place when they're done. Obviously I'm going to take those 2 off and get back to filling again, but yeah, it's it's quite a piece, but yeah, the skirt will fit happily through the doors. It's just that base, when it's in that location, that's the one that's going to cause the fun and games. So I think I'll use some wing nuts. I'll show you when I go inside. You can see the various screw holes around. So I'll just drop wing nuts through them just to keep it in place once I get it assembled, and then if I need to change rooms, it won't be too difficult to undo and get the base off again. Anyway, right, back to printing. Right now, as I said, I had that stoppage with the dome, and there's the original part of the dome before I got the layer shift. You can see it was coming really good. The trees, I've been pulling a few of the trees off. The trees stayed on great, but see the lines there? That's where it looked like that piece broke, so got another one coming out now. There it is. So yeah, 2 steps forwards, 1 back, but I'm getting there. Let's see how this one's been doing. So this has been running for 20 hours and 16% done. So, all right, folks, catch you all later.